Hello and welcome to IELTS Energy TV. I am your host, Jessica Beck, and today you are going to learn 3 high-scoring ways to say no on IELTS speaking. All right, guys, so thank you to subscriber Kay Viller. This subscriber asked, how do I say no on the IELTS speaking test? This person asked this question on another video I did called Stop Saying Yes I Do on IELTS. So in that video, you learn how to say yes in interesting ways, but how do we say no? For example, what if you are asked about if you enjoy cooking, or do you often read long books in English? I'm sure a lot of you would say no to at least one of those questions. So instead of saying no, because that's boring, low scoring, say nope, 100% no. So this exaggerated, slangy way is very native and natural. Now, here's a very impressive long sentence. Listen up. I wish I could answer in the affirmative, but unfortunately, I gotta say no. So there's some fancy words in there, right? Affirmative means yes, all right? So listen again, guys. I wish I could answer in the affirmative, but unfortunately, I gotta say no. Guys, look at the description below this video. I will type out that sentence, okay? Now, here's the third way. This is a great example of like, okay, if I'm asked if I enjoy cooking, I would say no. But to get a high vocab score, I could say, oh gosh, no, I have absolutely zero talent in the kitchen. That's so great. All right, guys, so look below the video for those 3 native and natural high-scoring phrases to say no. And then, guys, go to allearsenglish.com/IELTS quiz. Take our free quiz, get your estimated IELTS band score, and resources, guys, free resources that I made for you. allearsenglish.com/IELTS quiz.
Bonus tip, get a 7 or higher with the All Ears English app, featuring real-time transcripts and vocabulary practice that will push your score higher. Plus, fun video lessons with Lindsay, Michelle, and Jessica. Download the app today at allearsenglish.com/app.